Hey guys, my name is Roti and today we're gonna make something very simple. Generally people have it for breakfast, but I believe you can have it for lunch and even for dinner. It's just because I really like eggs. So today we're gonna make Anda Bhurji, that translates to Indian spice scrambled egg. It just takes few minutes to make and you can have it with the rotis, pav, but I serve it with something special, so stay tuned for that. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started, shall we?
Aside from my soul,
so let's make this, shall we? Okay, so first up, let's start by finely chopping an onion, 2 to 3 tomatoes and 4 to 5 green chilies. So once that's done, let's move on to the cooking. So in a pan, add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and to that I added about half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. It's just a basic ginger garlic paste, which is about 50% of garlic, 40% of ginger and 10% of green chili. So now saute the ginger garlic paste till it gets really fragrant, and once that's done, we're gonna add our chopped onions. Now saute the onions until it gets translucent on a medium-low flame. So now as the onions look translucent, so now I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. And now at this point I'm going to add a little bit of salt so that it would help the tomatoes to get softened and cook faster. Then I added about a teaspoon of red chili powder followed by a teaspoon of garam masala. And now we're gonna saute the spices and the tomatoes until the tomatoes are really soft. So as the tomatoes are cooking, we're gonna whisk 2 eggs in a bowl. And by the way, that's the way you crack an egg with one hand. So as you can see, the tomatoes are really mushy and the spices have been cooked. So now at this point, we're gonna add our whisked egg mixture. Now you can cook the eggs according to your desired consistency. But we Indians, we love the eggs a little overcooked. And I think that's the best way to have Anda Bhurji. So once the eggs have been cooked, now I'm going to garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. And that's done. That's your Anda Bhurji. So generally, Anda Bhurji is served with pav or roti. But I made some fresh English muffins. The English muffins really complement the texture of the bhurji. So of course we need a spread for the muffins, right? So here I made some really simple and easy yogurt mayo spread. So in a bowl, add about a tablespoon of mayonnaise. To that, add about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then add some finely chopped green chilies and garlic cloves. And season it with a little bit of salt and some black pepper. And it's done. And you're ready with a very simple yet a delicious spread. So now, as with any bread, I toasted my English muffins. To that, I'm going to apply a little bit of, a lot of yogurt mayo spread. And on top of that, we're gonna add our Anda Bhurji. And also don't forget to apply the spread on top of the bread. And you can garnish it with some sliced onions or lacha pyaz. And that's done. I think that's the best way to have your Anda Bhurji. You can have it with pav, rotis, parathas, and you can have it for breakfast, lunch or even dinner, and it's just so simple to make. So do try this recipe out and leave your feedback in the comment section below, and follow me on my Instagram handle _Rohit_Ghosh. And if you learned something, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching guys. Until then, I'm gonna meet you on my next video.